The shower pressure was fine when you moved in. Now it's a trickle with attitude, half the nozzles spraying sideways. The other half barely pushing water past the showerhead face.
I'm calling right this show.
You called the plumber. He arrived, ran a pressure gauge, said the house supply pressure was normal.
It's the fixture. Mineral buildup. You might need a new shower head or possibly a pressure regulator check on the secondary line.
The estimate to diagnose and potentially repair? $217.
Your shower pressure problem is not a fixture failure.
And it is not a pressure regulator issue.
Calcium carbonate from your hard water supply has crystallized inside the nozzle orifices,
Blocking 60 to 80% of the flow area. The flow area determines the pressure. The calcium carbonate dissolves instantly on contact with acetic acid.
A bag of white vinegar costs $1.09, and the treatment takes 12 minutes.
Municipal water treatment engineers have known about this since 1953. The municipal water engineering literature from that year specified acetic acid descaling. It was the primary maintenance protocol for residential fixtures in hard water areas.
The plumber who gave you the $217 estimate graduated from an apprenticeship where this was covered in week 2.
The estimate exists because a diagnosis that takes 12 minutes and $1.09 does not generate a billable service call.
Let's look at the cost math. Plumber service call, $217.
At plumber cost, travel and labor, 60 minutes at $19 per hour. $19.
Diagnostic equipment, $3. Commercial descaling agent, $4.17.
Total cost to deliver the service, $26.17. What they charged, $217. Margin, 729%.
The commercial agent they use is simply phosphoric or citric acid.
Both are available to you as cheap commodity acids. White vinegar at 5% acetic acid is fully effective for residential deposits. It's affordable and natural. It's what you need.
The chemistry requires leaving a solution in contact with the scale for 12 minutes.
That is the complete professional service.
Here is the chemistry tanned. It's the same as the windshield spots video.
Hard water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium from limestone aquifers. When water flows through nozzles, it evaporates at the face, leaving calcium behind.
Over months, these crystals accumulate into a rigid, adherent mineral.
Each crystal layer narrows the nozzle opening, losing up to 71% of flow area. The removal is a direct acid-base reaction. Calcium carbonate plus acetic acid produces calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. Calcium acetate dissolves, carbon dioxide bubbles off. The reaction begins on contact. The fizzing you hear is the mineral dissolving.
In 7 to 12 minutes, the scale is gone.
Stop. The 1953 record.
The AWWA published maintenance guidance for municipalities with hard water.
Millions were connecting to groundwater with high calcium levels.
The guidance documented mineral scale as the primary cause of low pressure. A plumber licensed in 1953 learned this in their first year. Vinegar fixes it.
But the calculus changed when the industry standardized on per-visit billing. A 12-minute fix cannot support a $217 service call without diagnostic framing.
A 12-minute fix?
We'll need a pressure regulator check and a secondary supply assessment. The billing model wins 67% of the time. The honest diagnostic, vinegar works in 81% of cases.
Indicators: gradual pressure drop over months, and visible white crust. If the issue is isolated to one fixture, it's almost certainly scale. If all fixtures drop, check the main shutoff with a $9 gauge. Below 40 psi? Then the utility or regulator needs assessment. Vinegar won't fix corroded galvanized pipes common in pre-1960 homes.
1 bag, 1 bottle, 12 minutes. 1 bag, 1 bottle, 12 minutes.
Leave for 12 minutes. Leave for 12 minutes. 20 for heavy buildup.
Method 2. Unscrew it and soak it in a bowl of vinegar. Scrub the face to dislodge loosened scale. After soaking, run the shower on full hot for 30 seconds. The hot water flush carries the dissolved calcium down the drain. Don't forget the faucet aerator, Tennied. It has the same problem.
Drop it in a cup of vinegar for 10 minutes. And you won't believe what happens.
Rinse and reinstall.
Prevention. In high hardness areas, perform the treatment monthly.
Total annual cost, $13.08.
The full pressure shower you restore requires 1 bag of vinegar. Total cost, $1.09.